Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all fine. Today I introduce curtains designs. Whisper of light curtains. These curtains are designed to softly filter sunlight while maintaining privacy, creating a calm and airy atmosphere in any room. The fabric flows gently, adding elegance warmth to your space. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, and lodges or they bring a balanced blend of beauty and comfort. Their graceful fall and smooth texture make them ideal for both modern and classic interiors. These curtains does not cover windows; they transforms the mood of your home into a peaceful sanctuary. Golden drape elegance curtains, rich in texture and luxurious appearance. These curtains are add a royal charm to your interior decor. Their structured fall creates a polished look that instantly upgrades any space, whether used in a formal drawing room or a cozy bedroom. They bring sophistication warmth. The fabric blocks harsh light while allowing a soft glow enter, giving the room a welcoming feel. These curtains are perfect for the homes that value style, comfort, and timeless beauty. Screen reflow curtains designed for calm and comfort. These curtains offers a soft flowing texture that create a relaxing environment. The gentle movement of the fabric and life of the room. While maintaining simplicity ideal for minimalistic home, they enhance the natural light without overpowering the decor. Their soothing presence makes any space feel open, fresh, and peaceful. These curtains are perfect choice for those who love soft elegance and quiet beauty. Royal frame curtains. These curtains create a majestic frame to your windows and giving your room a grand and luxurious look. Perfect for formal spaces, lounges, or master bedrooms, they reflect elegance and classic. These curtains turns ordinary windows into statement features. Shadow curtains, lightweight yet graceful. These curtains create a soft shadows and gentle lighting in your room. They add a dreamy feel cozy space and helped create a calm and comforting atmosphere. Their delicate texture gives the room a soft, making it feel warm and inviting. These curtains are designed for peaceful living and gentle beauty. Modern gaze curtains with clean lines and smooth fall. These curtains suit modern interiors beautifully. They bring a stylish and refined look without being overpowering. Their simple elegance makes them perfect for contemporary homes, offices, and apartments. The fabric enhances natural light while maintaining privacy. These curtains represent modern design with timeless charm. Velvet calm curtains. These curtains bring richness and softness together in perfect harmony. They are luxurious rooms, creating a cozy yet elegant feel. Ideal for winter decor and formal setting, they give a premium look to your interior. The heavy drapes adds character and made comfort, warmth, and luxury living. Heavenly drapes, curtains, light, airy, and graceful. These curtains create a heavenly atmosphere in your home. They allow natural light to flow while adding softness and elegance to the space. Perfect for bright interiors, they make rooms feel open and fresh. Their flowing fabric create a peaceful and dreamy look. These curtains brings freshness, light, and beauty together in harmony. Classic charm curtains. These curtains blend traditional elegance with modern comfort. Their timeless design suits every type of interior decor. The soft fabric and balanced structure give a refined and graceful look, perfect for both formal and casual spaces. They offer beauty and practicality together. These curtains are symbol of simple luxury and lasting style. Luxury life fall curtains designed to manage light beautifully. These curtains create a perfect balance between brightness and privacy. Their elegant fall adds a premium look to your space. They enhance the overall decor with the soft, graceful presence, ideal for stylish homes and modern interiors. They bring beauty and function together. These curtains are not just decor, they are an experience of comfort and elegance. Morning glow curtains. These curtains are designed to welcome soft morning light into your home while keeping the space calm and private. The fabric gently filter sunlight, create a warm and peaceful atmosphere. Their smooth walls add beauty and balance to the room, ideal for bedrooms and living space. They make every morning feel fresh and relaxing. These curtains add comfort, light, and grace to your interior. Timeless drapery curtains, classic in style and rich in appearance. These curtains never go out of fashion. They are elegant charm to any room. and traditional. They complement modern and traditional interior with ease, perfect for everyday living. They provide privacy while maintaining a soft, welcoming glow. These curtains bring lasting beauty and define simplicity to your home. Cloud touch curtains lighten air and soft touch. These curtains create a dreamy and peaceful environment. They move gentle with the breeze, adding life and softness to your space. Perfect for bright rooms, they allow natural light to flow freely. Their delicate textures make the room feel open and calm. These curtains are ideal for those who love light, airy, and gentle decor. Elegant shelter curtains designed to offer comfort and privacy. These curtains create a cozy and protected feeling. In any room, the fabric blocks harsh light while allowing a soft glow to enter. Their graceful shape enhance the beauty of your windows, ideal for bedrooms and sitting areas. They make the space feel warm and inviting. These curtains bring both style and comfort together. Evening security curtains. These curtains help a set of calm and relaxing mood as the day of comes to end. Their soft fabric reduces bright light, creating a peaceful atmosphere perfect for bedrooms and loggies, and they sports rest and relaxations. The elegant fall adds quite beauty to your decor. These curtains turns your room into a restful treat. Luxury fall curtains with rich folds and graceful structure. These curtains has premium look to an interior. The fabric hugs perfectly, creating depth and sophistication, ideal for formal living rooms and master bedrooms. They enhance the overall decor. They provide excellent light control while maintaining elegance. These curtains reflect luxury, quality, and refined taste. Nature harmony curtains, inspired by natural tones and soft texture. These curtains blend beautifully with any decor style. They create a balanced and peaceful atmosphere in any room. The gentle fabric allows light to pass softly, making the space feel fresh and airy, ideal for homes that values simplicity and comfort. These curtains bring natural space, calm into your living space. Quiet luxury curtains. These curtains offer understated elegance without being too bold. Their smooth texture and refined fall add a soft richness to the room, perfect for modern and minimal interiors. They enhance the space, quality, and beautiful. They provide privacy, and these curtains are made for those who love simple, classy decor. Graceful window frame curtains. These curtains frame your windows with the beauty and elegance. The foam fabric create a soft and defined look that enhance your room decor, ideal for large windows and bright space. They add charm without overpowering the design. Their balanced structure makes them both practical and stylish. These curtains in windows into the elegant focal points of heaven curtains designed to create comfort and warmth. These curtains makes your room feel safe and relaxing. Their gentle fabric, softness and light and reduce outside glare, perfect for bedrooms and family rooms. They sports peaceful lifestyles. The elegant drape adds beauty without heaviness. These curtains create a calm and heaven inside your room. Soft breeze curtains. These curtains are designed to move gently with the air, creating a calm and refreshing feel in your room. The lightweight fabric allows natural light to enter while maintaining privacy. Their smooth flow adds softness and charm to any space, ideal for living rooms and bedrooms. They make the room feel open and relaxed. These curtains bring comfort, light, and gentle beauty together. Classic window grace curtains with the timeless design and elegant drape. These curtains suit every interior style. The fabric falls beautifully, enhances the overall look of the room. They offer a perfect balance of light control and privacy, ideal for everyday living. They bright warmth and refinement to your home. These curtains are reliable choice for beauty and classic. Peaceful light curtains. These curtains softly manage sunlight, creating a calm and soothing atmosphere indoors. Their gentle texture reduces harsh brightness while keeping the room airy, perfect for bedrooms, sitting areas. They helps create a peaceful mood. The graceful falls adds cool elegance. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.